pepper consumption will also go up. This is the main reason why the demand is going up for pepper. Our point is that other than Vietnam, there are not too many countries which can actually increase the production of pepper in a big way. That is why we feel that if we do not support the supply, increase in the supply of pepper, then the price of pepper will just keep on going up. And at some point in time, the consumers and the companies will start looking for alternative to pepper because the price is so high. And then the demand will come down. So rather than the demand to come down, it is better to grow the industry and increase the supply. We strongly feel that the demand is increasing so much that it is not going to have any negative impact on the pricing of pepper as well as the incomes of the farmer. In fact, if they grow more, their incomes will also increase. Potable surplus that is available as far as pepper is concerned. But our feeling is that going forward, the role of Vietnam will become more and more important.
Briefly of quality of Vietnam pepper.
So well, in the global market, Vietnam pepper has some very, very unique attributes. For example, the Vietnamese pepper is a bold pepper. Therefore, it provides a lot of yield when it is ground. It is very suitable to making white pepper, and it helps in a large way because so much of supply is available. So from a quality point of view, the oil content, the aroma, and the yield from the Vietnamese pepper is very, very good, and therefore we feel that it is very suitable from a quality standpoint for the international market.
Nói chung là chất lượng tiêu Việt Nam là rất là tốt về mặt chất lượng, về mùi vị cũng như về cái sản lượng của tiêu Việt Nam là hoàn toàn phù hợp đối với nhu cầu chất lượng tiêu trên thế giới.
Tuy nhiên là hiện tại một số thông tin nó cho rằng nghĩa là có nhiều cái đánh giá khác nhau do cái mức độ tiêu Việt Nam chẳng hạn. Thì em muốn hỏi ổng là theo ổng thì phải làm như thế nào để có thể cái ngành tiêu Việt Nam phát triển hơn?
So now there are some opinion that Vietnam pepper is unstable. So in your opinion, what we should do to improve quality of Vietnam pepper?
Okay. I think from a quality point of view, the most important thing that the Vietnamese farmers and the Vietnamese pepper needs to do is to focus on food safety. And when you talk about food safety and quality, the most important aspect is pesticide residues. So in Vietnam and also in the other countries, we are seeing that the pesticide residue levels in the pepper in some cases are higher than what is the limit that is there. Now, from that perspective, it is a very, very important and good opportunity for Vietnam to differentiate itself from the other countries. So if Vietnam can reduce the pesticide residue levels in its pepper, in all the pepper, almost 70-80% does not have, but the 20% pepper that has the pesticide residues, if Vietnam can differentiate itself and reduce the pesticide level, then the Vietnamese pepper will be considered the best pepper in the world.
Theo quan điểm chúng tôi thì chất lượng tiêu Việt Nam nên tập trung về mảng an toàn vệ sinh thực phẩm, và trong cái an toàn vệ sinh thực phẩm thì chúng ta nên tập trung cái dư lượng thuốc trừ sâu. Cái dư lượng thuốc trừ sâu thì làm sao mà nó đừng có vượt cái mức cho phép, và theo như chúng tôi nghĩ rằng nếu Việt Nam mình mà cải thiện được cái vấn đề này thì có lẽ tiêu Việt Nam là cái tiêu tốt nhất trên thế giới.
Thank you.